Highways don't forgive weakness, they test steel, they test engines. And they test the people who live behind the wheel for weeks at a time. Out here, comfort isn't a luxury, it's survival. And a few builders decided the factory sleeper just wasn't enough. They pushed farther, bigger, wilder. What they created turned ordinary tractors into rolling penthouses built to conquer America mile by mile. This isn't about chrome for show. This is about the 4 biggest and most extreme custom sleeper trucks ever built on modern heavy-duty platforms. Machines that stretch longer than city buses. Cabins that feel more like high-end apartments. Trucks that blur the line between commercial vehicle and luxury motor coach. The first one begins with the refined backbone of the Kenworth T680. The stock T680 already has presence. Its aerodynamic nose slices wind like a blade, headlights narrowed with quiet aggression. But in the hands of a custom sleeper builder, it becomes something else entirely. The frame rails stretch, the proportions shift. Suddenly, the sleeper doesn't stop at 76 inches. It keeps going and going. One of the largest T680 custom builds ever completed carries a 156-inch aftermarket sleeper grafted seamlessly behind the cab. From a distance, it looks elongated, almost unreal. Up close, the scale hits you. This isn't just a compartment to lie down. It's a full living space riding on polished aluminum wheels. Open the side door and you step into hardwood floors. Real wood, cabinets with soft close hinges. Granite countertops secured to survive cross-country vibration. There's a dinette that converts into extra sleeping space, a refrigerator taller than some apartment units, and a shower with a glass door that doesn't rattle even when the Cummins engine is pulling hard through the Rockies. At idle, you can hear the low hum of the power unit feeding the interior climate system. It's a soft mechanical heartbeat beneath lead ceiling lights recessed into a custom headliner. Outside, air lines hiss as the suspension levels itself. Inside, it feels steady, controlled. The T680 platform makes this transformation believable. Its aerodynamic efficiency helps offset the added weight and length. The steering remains precise. Drivers say it still tracks straight at highway speeds, even with that massive living quarters behind them. It doesn't drive like a novelty. It drives like a purpose-built long-haul machine designed for someone who refuses to live small. And yet, as dramatic as it is, the T680 build feels refined, polished, almost executive. Peterbilt 579. If the Kenworth feels like a luxury condo, the custom Peterbilt 579 feels like a rolling executive suite wrapped in steel and attitude. The 579 has always carried a slightly sharper personality, a little more edge in the grille, a little more stance in the hood. Builders lean into that energy when they extend it. One extreme custom 579 stretches past 40 feet from bumper to tail. The sleeper alone rivals the length of some straight trucks. And the interior? It's designed less like a truck cabin and more like a high-end RV built for someone who still needs to haul 80,000 pounds through a storm. Step inside and the ceiling height surprises you. You can stand fully upright without feeling boxed in. There's a leather couch anchored to reinforced mounting plates. Opposite it, a wall-mounted television tied into a satellite system. The cabinetry is darker here, richer tones, brushed metal hardware catching the light. The engine up front still growls with that unmistakable Packard authority. When it pulls onto the highway, you feel the torque rise through the drivetrain, but inside the sleeper, the insulation dampens the chaos. It's a strange contrast. Outside, wind buffets the extended body. Inside, there's quiet conversation, the faint click of a coffee maker running off an inverter system built to handle residential appliances. This particular 579 build includes a full bathroom with a ceramic toilet, a larger shower stall, and freshwater capacity that rivals small campers. Builders reinforce the frame to handle the extra load. Additional axles are sometimes added to distribute weight properly, turning the truck into a carefully balanced engineering puzzle. Driving one requires attention, You're no longer just maneuvering a tractor-trailer. You're commanding a stretched machine with a longer wheelbase than most drivers have ever handled. Tight truck stops become strategy exercises, but on open interstate it feels unstoppable. The 579 Custom builds carry personality. They don't whisper comfort, they declare it. And then we move into a different philosophy entirely. Freightliner Cascadia. The Freightliner Cascadia is known for efficiency. Fleets love it. It's practical, aerodynamic, data-driven. So when someone chooses it as the base for one of the most extreme sleeper conversions in North America, it feels almost rebellious. But that's the beauty of it. One of the largest Cascadia Custom sleepers ever built pushes into 180-inch territory. The added length transforms the truck into something that looks like it belongs in a convoy of specialty vehicles, not a corporate fleet yard. The exterior remains deceptively subtle. Cascadia lines are smooth, wind-cheating, functional, but step inside and the transformation is dramatic. There's tile flooring secured with flexible adhesive to survive constant vibration. A compact kitchen with induction cooktops. A microwave recessed cleanly into upper cabinetry. Drawers slide out smoothly even after thousands of miles because the builder engineered every hinge to handle the punishment of the road. The Cascadia's Detroit engine up front has a distinct tone under load, a steady mechanical rhythm that echoes faintly through the extended chassis. Yet the sleeper remains insulated like a recording studio. Double-pane windows reduce highway noise to a distant murmur. This build focuses heavily on self-sufficiency. Solar panels line the roof, feeding lithium battery banks that can power the entire living space without idling. There's a workstation built into one corner, complete with a mounted monitor and a comfortable chair bolted securely to reinforced flooring. For some drivers, this isn't just a truck, it's a mobile headquarters. What makes the Cascadia version unique is how it balances technology with livability. Digital dash up front, climate zones in the sleeper, smart lighting systems controlled from a touch panel near the bed. It feels modern, purposeful, less about flash, more about precision. And just when you think you've seen the peak of what a highway machine can become, there's one more name that changes the tone entirely. Western Star 49X. The Western Star 49X doesn't pretend to be delicate. It's built for punishment, heavy vocational work, harsh conditions. Its lines are muscular, almost squared off with confidence. Now imagine that platform stretched and transformed into one of the most extreme custom sleeper trucks ever assembled. The result looks like a freight train on wheels. One massive 49X build features a 168-inch custom sleeper engineered with reinforced framing to match the truck's vocational roots. This isn't polished executive luxury. This is industrial strength comfort. The interior design reflects that attitude. Metal accents, durable composite surfaces, a larger galley kitchen with deeper storage compartments. The bathroom is spacious enough that you don't feel confined, with a heavy-duty shower enclosure built to handle real-world abuse. Outside, the 49X's engine roars with a deeper, more aggressive tone. When it pulls a load, you can feel the torque twist through the chassis. The extended sleeper doesn't soften its personality, it amplifies it. This build often includes upgraded suspension components to maintain ride stability. Additional lighting wraps the exterior, casting a strong glow across truck stops at night. When it rolls in, people notice, not because it's flashy, because it feels dominant. Driving it is a statement. The steering is firm, the visibility commanding. And despite its size, it feels planted, like it was always meant to be this big. Inside, after shutting the door, there's an unexpected calm. The outside world fades to a muted rumble. You're in a space built for someone who lives on the road but refuses to surrender comfort, privacy, or independence. These four machines prove something powerful about trucking culture. Drivers spend more time in their trucks than most people spend in their homes. So why shouldn't those homes evolve? Why shouldn't steel stretch, frames reinforced, suspensions upgrade, all to create something that matches the scale of the job? If you watched this, like and subscribe to the channel for more mammoth machines.